I have two 10-gallon grow bags over here. I'm going to harvest one of them today, and I'm going to let the other one go for a while. They both have a lot of foliage, so I'm going to cut a lot of that off before I try to carry it. By the way, it's best if you're going to move a grow bag with soil to have somebody help you, because it gets a little heavy, especially if the soil is wet. If you're wondering about these, we feed the Orioles grape jelly, but lately we've been seeing more house finch activity than Orioles. But hopefully they'll come back and start feeding again. Okay, I think we can probably carry this out now. I see a little potato sticking up already. Don't know if we have any more, but there's at least one. Mosquito. There we go. I grew just Kennebec this year, just a couple of bags, because it's the one that has always worked for me the best. I see a little potato right there, and I see a tiny one right there. These all have a lot of foliage on them, so I don't know if we're going to get a whole lot of potatoes or not. Well, there's a couple coming out. Wow, a lot of little ones. Oh yeah, we're doing pretty good, I think. Well, got one over here. If you want potatoes to store well, you need to wait until all the vines have died back. It helps that skin cure. Got some little tiny ones still forming, so maybe that one I left over there, your two 10-gallon grow bags, maybe the one I left will do better. Wow, there's a big one. It's hard to say what we have. There's another one. Getting a lot of smaller ones. Yeah, look at all those little ones that are just now forming. Yeah, I should have let those grow a while, but that's okay. I really thought they would have been done by now, but it looks like they're still forming. There's another good one. Lots of little ones. There's another good one. Yeah, those skins are a little fragile, and those will toughen up if you let those vines die back all the way. Yeah, I've got tons of little bitty ones that are probably still growing. And then if you look at this one, they got quite a few tiny ones growing. I normally harvest before now, so I thought they'd be done making potatoes, but I guess they weren't. Live and learn, even at my age. There's a big one. A couple of little ones, that one's rotten. Oh, there's still some in here. And we got another one of the vines. Oh, there's a couple more. There's one. You just got to keep digging through the dirt until you get them all. Tiny, tiny one. Just when you think you're done, you find another one. That one's got a little rotten spot on it. I think we might be done. Now there's one. Like I said, just when you think you're done, you find more. There's there's another one. Another one. Okay, I think that's about it. I'll wash those up and give you a look at them before I take them inside. Here's a look at what we ended up with. Not the best I've ever done, but it's okay. That's probably one of the better ones. That one and this one. A little dirty still. Just saw a mosquito, I had to swat it. Anyway, that's what we ended up with. If you grew potatoes in a grow bag this year, please let us know how yours did. And if you're just now finding this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.